Hi and welcome to my channel Prachi's Review Hub. Have you ever wanted to learn, connect and grow with like-minded people all in one place? Well, meet Skool, the ultimate platform for online learning and community building. Let's dive in. Let's talk about what is Skool. Skool is an all-in-one platform designed to help creators, coaches and learners engage in a seamless online community. Think of it as a mix of Facebook groups, online courses, and gamified learning all in one place. With Skool, you can join or create communities where people can learn, share ideas, and grow together. Here is how it works. Access structured courses from experts, earn points, and level up through engagement. Chat and collaborate with like minded learners. Whether you are a coach looking to teach, an entrepreneur wanting to build a community, or just someone eager to learn, Skool makes it easy and fun. Getting started is very simple. Just head to the description box and click the link below and sign up and join a group that interests you. The price is very low, it's $99 per month, but if you don't like it, you can ask your money back in 14 days. That's all about Skool, ready to level up your learning. Hit the like button, subscribe, and check out Skool today. Bye.